Hello and welcome back to another video on topic 1. I hope the previous videos have been helpful in learning more about the subject. Today we'll be looking at chromosomes and mitosis. Let's begin with chromosomes. Most cells in your body have a nucleus as previously stated in previous videos. The nucleus contains your genetic material in the form of chromosomes. Simply, chromosomes are coiled up lengths of DNA molecules. Each chromosome carries a large number of genes. Different genes control the development of different characteristics. Body cells normally have 2 copies of each chromosome. One copy from the father and the other from the mother. The diagram shows 23 pairs of chromosomes from a human cell. People that don't have 23 pairs of chromosomes nearly always have chromosomal disorders, the most common being Down syndrome. That is the main content you need to know for chromosomes. Moving on to osmosis. Body cells in multicellular organisms divide to produce new cells as part of stages called the cell cycle. The stage where the cell divides in the cell is called mitosis. Multicellular organisms use mitosis to grow or replace cells that have been damaged. However, keep in mind there is another process similar to mitosis but in different cells, but that is for another video. Moving on, the end of the cell cycle results in 2 new cells, identical cells or daughter cells to the original cell, with the same number of chromosomes. You need to know the 2 main stages of the cell cycle. The first stage that comes is the DNA replication. Before a cell divides, the cell has to grow and increase the amount of subcellular structures such as mitochondria and ribosomes. Next, the cell duplicates its DNA so then tries 1 copy for each new cell that is going to be made. The DNA is copied and forms X-shaped chromosomes. Each branch of the chromosome is an exact duplicate of the other. This is the first stage of the cell cycle that you need to know. Next we are moving on to the division of the cell or the mitosis stage. Once the cell's contents and DNA have been copied, the cell is ready for mitosis. The chromosomes in the cell line up at the center of the cell and cell fibers pull them apart. The 2 branches of each chromosome go to the opposite ends of the cell. Next, membranes form around each of the sets of chromosomes. These become the nuclei of the 2 new cells and therefore the nucleus is divided. Lastly, the cytoplasm in cell membrane divides, creating new identical cells or daughter cells. This is the full cycle of the cell cycle. Make sure you have written key ideas down for a later revision. Thank you for watching.